Hello and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a sheet pan barbecue pork with roasted veggies and maple mustard sauce. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 450 degrees, and then we're going to make sure we have all of the following items. Please pause your video if you need to make note. Now we're going to take our chopped up veggies and we're going to pour about a tablespoon of olive oil over them. And then we're going to nicely mix them here. Now, we're going to be putting all these vegetables on half of this sheet pan. So don't worry if you lose a couple onto the pan. It's going to turn out just fine. I use a bowl because I like the olive oil to stay in the bowl, and then mix the veggies across accordingly. Once we've got them nicely coated, we're going to place them onto the pan as you see here, leaving a little space for our pork to cook. Let's add in our rosemary, season with pepper. I like pepper. Make sure to use it liberally. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. And now we're going to add some olive oil to our pork here. It's going to help our seasoning stick to it nicely and give it a nice little coat. Now we're going to take our barbecue seasoning. I like to use Famous Dave's, but you can use any of the ones that you'd like to. And we're going to make sure that we've got that even on all sides. Perfect. Excellent. Just like you see here. Super easy, right? I like to put a little bit more. We got a little extra. Now we're going to salt and pepper our meat. Always be seasoning, of course. Just like so. Very simple. This is going to be one of the easiest dishes you're ever going to make, and it is going to taste wonderful. Now we're going to pop it in our oven. We're going to cook that bad boy for between 33 and 35 minutes, and then when it's done, it will come out looking like this. Beautiful. Look at those veggies roasted under that 450 degrees with that olive oil. Gives it that nice, beautiful brown color. We're going to take our pork off and let it rest. We're going to get rid of the rosemary because that is not tasty at all. And this is what those vegetables look like. Red and golden potatoes. Look at the steam coming off of that pork. It's going to be so nice. Make sure you wait to cut it. Once it gets down about 5 minutes, let's add our Dijonnaise sauce, and it is complete. Oh my God, guys. So easy. About 45 minutes in total to complete this dish. Cutting the vegetables took about 10 minutes. So within 1 hour, you can have a beautiful, wonderful dish for your family to enjoy. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please make sure to like our video and subscribe for future content. It costs you nothing, but it helps our channel out a lot.